Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Cerise Fairfax and welcome. So this is week 2 of my 40-day fast, water only. Yay! You may be thinking, water only? Oh my gosh. Like, I can't even tell you how many supporters that I have been getting because I do my updates on Facebook. Now, you can go on Facebook and see my daily updates. I think I was on day 7 or day 9 and my face broke out. Remember, I told you guys I was trying to get rid of this rash that I had going on, and oh, it's just been toxins cleansing out because too much information here right now. But there are no bowel movements. There's no pooping when you are doing a fast. A little bit. I mean, of course, it's just going to let everything out slowly. But the toxins have to come out somehow. Now, in a minute, I'm going to stand up and I'm going to show you my body like I did last week. I have to take this off. Hold on one second. Today's Wednesday, not Friday. I just got back from my talk show. I have a talk show here in the Dominican Republic on living good in the Dominican Republic. So it's on television. So I just took off my clothes, forgot to take off my necklace, but I had to put this top on because this is the same top that I was wearing in the last video, and I want to wear the same clothes each week just to show you. All right, so a couple of things about 40-day fasting that you really should know, and a few things that I've noticed as well. Water is great. Last week when I first started it, I was like drinking tea with ginger and, cayenne, paprika. And like, I was really pumped up to do all that. I've lost interest in all that now. Now I'm just doing water and I'm really enjoying water. A couple of times I've added, like this week, I've added some lime juice to my water. Let me take a sip right now. You will notice if you do decide to do your cleanse, you're going to get thirsty. Dry mouth, cotton mouth. Now, I haven't eaten anything. After the third day, I was cool. After, every day I was all right. The other day, I was like, oh my gosh, I want to eat. Now, I wasn't hungry. I want to make that clear. I was craving. It's so interesting how we have different, cravings and, we eat at certain times, even when we're not hungry. I've really noticed that along this journey so far that I was just an eater and I wasn't eating because I was hungry. Now, a few things that you need to note if you're going to do this, you need to have your electrolytes in place. That means your salt and your magnesium. Really important. I take magnesium pills, like little white tablets, and I bought those at the pharmacy. I take 550 milligrams every night before I go to bed. When I wake up in the morning, as I said on the other video, I take a spoonful of baking soda and I put that in 6 ounces of water and I drank that down. It doesn't taste all that great, but it works all that great. And it's really important because that's what's going to give you energy, and it's pure salt, and that's what you need in your body, salt. Now, if you don't want to take that, you can also take Himalayan salts and just put them in your water and sip. A little bit of tiredness I had today. Probably because my system knew I was going to be going out for my television talk show tonight. It starts at 7:00 p.m. And I just felt like resting. I slept from 11 o'clock in the morning. I've been waking up early and until like 12:30. And that nap did me well and I chilled. Another thing is, if you are planning on doing a fast, then I would suggest that if you are doing an extended fast like what I'm doing, you want to make sure that you are not working long hours, lifting heavy equipment, or working around children, or, just absolutely nothing too strenuous. because you're going to want to just lay back and relax and chill. So, my advice to you is intermittent fasting if you cannot do the extended fast. I wasn't able to do intermittent fasting. I tried it, it was suggested to me before, but it wasn't really for me because I don't like to time when I'm going to eat. So, I went all in. Now, I just want to reiterate, I'm not doing this cleanse, this fast for weight loss. I'm doing it because my Holy Spirit gave me the message to do it. I was had an inflamed breast, and the nipple was inverting, and it was painful for a couple of days, and it was seriously terrifying. I woke up in the morning and I was like, what's this? And I'm looking at my two breasts and I can literally see visibly the size difference. I looked in the mirror and, I went crazy researching everything just like anyone would. And I didn't know what to do. I was scared. And so I meditated and it came to me fast. Like that, I got the message and I listened. Later on in that day, I got the message to do 40 days. So this is what I'm doing. So that means absolutely no food at all. Like I'm talking no fruits, no vegetables. I'm talking water only. When I say water only, it is serious. And it is serious. I have, after Friday comes, I'll have 3 weeks to go, 21 more days. And, I mean, it's pretty it's pretty okay. I'm all right. And I would say, do it by the doctor's, you know, advice. Talk to your doctor. You shouldn't do a fast again if you are working long hours with children or, heavy equipment. And also do not do a fast if you have a pre-existing condition. Very important. You don't want to, go and do something to your body unnecessarily. All right. So what I'm going to do now is stand up and I'm going to show you my body, just because a lot of you guys know that when you are doing a fast for health reasons, one of the added benefits is losing weight. Okay? So hold on one second. I'm going to put the microphone down. So there we go, guys. I just wanted to check in with you and let you know how things are going. It's week 2, and I'm going to check in with you next Friday on week 3, and so on and so forth until the fast is done. And yeah, we will make this journey together. If you have any questions, you can contact me. Of course, put your comments below and any questions at all. And also, I do want to reassure you guys because there are great supporters out there. And I do want to reassure you because there are some people that were a little bit worried and they're like, 40 days, it's so dangerous. And be careful of this and be careful of that. And, I just want to say to you, I am very careful. I am not a risk taker at all. I want to clean the junk out of my body. I haven't been doing my body justice, and I'm going to be 51 December 20th. And I certainly know how much I have been battering my body. I know more than any of the people that care for me and are worried for me. And not only that, I want anyone out there questioning my journey to stop worrying. Okay, there are doctors here in the Dominican Republic. I have neighbors. Everyone knows that I'm doing this cleanse and everyone is on alert. I told them if there's anything, I'm going to be calling you to let you know. But it doesn't just hit you all at once. There's indicators when you know your body is not feeling well, and that is nausea. If you have any vomiting, then you definitely have to stop the cleanse and break it immediately. Oh, there's something else. Breaking the fast that just came to me. When you do a fast, whether it is 3 days, 7 days, 10 days, doesn't matter how long. You have to break that down in half, and that's how long you can start eating again. Okay, so for instance, let's say you're on a cleanse for a fast for 3 days. You have to take a day and a half to start eating normally again. So I'm on a 40-day fast. That means I have to take 20 days to start eating again. So this journey is going to be 60 days altogether. And I'm going to take you guys on it with me. It's called the refeeding. 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 That means you cannot just eat a meal and just go out and be like, okay, my fast is done, I'm feeling great, because there's a lot of danger to that. You can bloat your belly out, you can really get constipated and really make yourself sick. So you have to focus on the refeeding foods, which is like bone broth, and some vegetable soup, like soft vegetables, and don't overeat. So we're going to go on that journey together as well. All right, guys, I love you so much. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Cerise Fairfax. Welcome to my channel. Please take a moment to subscribe. It's for free. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that like button. It's a thumbs up, and it lets YouTube know that you enjoyed my video. Also, if you can do me a favor too, go ahead and hit that bell, because that bell will notify you when I upload another video, so you don't have to keep checking at my channel and seeing, okay, is there another one uploaded? YouTube will automatically notify you and tell you that there's a video waiting for you to watch. Guys, please take care of yourself. Be careful out there. Huge hugs, loads of love, and big blesses.